So guys, for the first method, you want to click on the Windows button and P at the same time. Click on Windows and P at the same time, and now this will come up. Make sure that you have this set to extend. So you want to click on extend, see if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to expand multiple displays, and now you want to click on detect. See if that works for you. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, you want to expand monitors. If you can see your monitor right here, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. And for the last method, you want to unplug your monitor, restart your computer, and then plug it back in again. Hopefully that'll work for you now.